This is the brief on momentum transport in fluid dynamics. So what we're really getting into is the physics that connects fluid movement to real-world force. It's absolutely crucial for engineers designing everything from superfast jets to massive hydraulic systems. Okay, first, let's break this down. You have the momentum current. That's the raw force a moving fluid carries, like water from a fire hose. But the rate that force gets transferred, well, that's what engineers call momentum flux. It's how they calculate the actual force being applied. So if current is the what, flux is the how. And second, this momentum flux is the critical bridge. It connects outside forces, like pressure or gravity, to how a fluid actually moves. This is exactly how an airplane gets lift, but it's also why it experiences drag. And finally, this gets super practical for engineers. In hydraulics, they use it to calculate the anchoring forces needed to keep pipes from breaking loose. For a jet engine, the change in momentum as air shoots out the back is exactly what creates forward thrust. It's literally what moves the plane. So whether it's securing a high-pressure pipe or maximizing engine thrust, it all comes down to momentum flux. That's how engineers manage the incredible power of moving fluids.